All right, Michael with Quiet Lawn. We're out here doing a sod renovation for, we're changing out a Centipede lawn to Zoysia. We've actually came out here and sprayed this lawn to kill it off twice in the last 6 weeks. This lawn was Centipede, and the reason we're switching to Zoysia, besides the fact that it's just a better grass overall, is that they have a particular weed called torpedo grass. It's a very invasive grassy weed, and it's been taking over the Centipede lawn, and unfortunately there's no products on the market that will kill that torpedo grass without killing the Centipede. We're going to be switching to Zoysia, and the good thing about Zoysia or Bermuda is that there is a product called Drive that can help at least suppress and control that torpedo grass. It won't get rid of it. It's a very difficult weed, but it will at least have a weapon that they can use to control it. But Zoysia overall is a much better grass than Centipede. It's a lot thicker, it's softer, it's what you would imagine you would want with a nice lawn as far as warm season grass. It's a lot more insect and disease resistant, and just like I said, overall better grass. You can get it darker green, prettier color, but that's what we're going to do right now. First thing we're going to do is we're going to scalp this lawn down, which Renee's doing right now. Try to get rid of as much of this dead matter as possible. Then we're going to dig our edges in where we're bordering our neighboring lawn, so that we can make our new sod flush with the existing grass. And we're going to do the same thing around the driveway, kind of taper, dig down and kind of taper into our lawn, so that we can have our new sod sit at the same level against the concrete as the existing lawn. Once we do that, we're going to bring in a topsoil and fill dirt combination that'll give us some nice organic matter here as a base for our sod. And then we've got fill dirt mixed in there too, because we also want to do some leveling. And topsoil is great for organic matter, but it does tend to settle. So we've got that fill dirt in there because the fill dirt will actually pack down and give us a little bit better base to level. It's not perfect. If you're looking to level, strictly, you might want to go with something like sand. But this will be a kind of a happy medium that'll get this lawn more level than it is, but also get that organic matter in there.